Getting started.
This is a short tutorial video on how to set up your web app within Farm Matters. Quite simple. To go to the cattle section at the top, the portal section below, and you'll see at the bottom of the middle option, set up web users. So if you click on set up web users and then use the little green plus to enter in a description, for instance your name, a username and a password of your choosing. Once you've set that up, you're then able to send your information to the hub. Now what this does is, this sends the information from Farm Matters to the internet, so you can then view this detailed information on your application, on your phone, or on a device. Now to do that, you need to click on Send Data to Web App. That's the middle option there. This will package this information up from your Farm Matters and send it to the internet so you can view it on your browser on your phone. Just like that.
Using the app.
Once you've sent the information from Farm Matters to the hub or to the web app, you then go onto your browser on your phone or device and you type in the web page www.farmmatters.net. This will take you straight to a login page. You enter in your username and your password that you've obviously registered and set up in Farm Matters itself, and then you log in. This will confirm the farm and you'll be into the app itself. Now it's really useful. It's almost like an e-notebook or an e-diary. So when you're out and about on farm, you can use your phone or device to log different pieces of information. For instance, in cattle, you can find animals, for instance, like that. Animal there. Obviously, you've just called it test for this reason. You can bring up its details, and you'll see the icons across the top. You can add an animal to a session. You can click on the little calendar icon and add a birth. So I'll just do that for demo purposes. Now this app doesn't have the validation that Farm Matters does, because it's designed so that you can use it as quickly as possible. So you can put as little or as much information in as you wish, and then when you want to confirm that information, you send the information back to Farm Matters. So in this case, we'll just say it's a live calf. We'll put in the tag number. We'll put in management 1. To male and to single, and then we'll just click save. You must click save after recording an event. You can add animals to sessions. Standard session. You can bring up find an animal again, and we'll just say test again, and you click on the animal and you can enter in weight and then click save. You can go back to the home screen. You can put sheep information in, you can add spot treatment, death, or notes. And it's quite versatile. You can also go to settings. You can go to the cattle settings. You can go to the animal layout page. And you can customize what you see on the app. As you can see, the visible ones are obviously in green with a tick. And the ones that are available are in a pinky color with a cross. So what you do is just click on there and say show. You can actually micromanage what you want to see within each panel as well, and then click save. So this allows you to see more information within the app. There's a lot to it, and I suggest you just access it, play with it, and really experiment with what's going to be best for you. Once you've recorded an event, such as my birth, you then go to the home screen, and you'll see at the bottom, send data to hub. as you can see here, this is vitally important that you understand that it's a push-pull system. So you send the data from Farm Matters to the web, you then access this information on your app, you then use the app, and then you send it back again. So if I just say send data to hub, and pop in password and send, that's now successfully sent those records back to the hub and therefore back to Farm Matters.
Updating your records in Farm Matters.
Once you've used the app outside on your phone or device and you've sent the data back to the hub, what you then need to do is you need to go to Cattle and then Portal, and then down in the middle section again you'll see Get Data from Hub. So if you click on Get Data from Hub, this looks up any event that you've actually recorded on your device or your phone and then stores it in this screen. As you can see across the top, we have sessions, births, spot treatments, anything that you've entered into the app. Once you've got it in here, this acts as an interim place and it will remain here until you decide to clear this using the top right hand corner icon, the little eraser. To actually implement what you've been doing outside, you need to go into the actual tab, in this case sessions, right click on your session, go to events and choose the event that you wish to apply to that session. You can apply as many events to the session as you wish. Once you choose the event, then Farm Matters validation will be activated. So if I right click on the birth and say add birth and click next, the usual validation will apply, but the validation doesn't apply while on your device outside, just easing the amount of time that it takes to actually enter it in. So it's a kind of a safety net. The information will be dumped down from the app into the portal screen. You can then get the data from the hub. You can then view the information that you've actually done outside on the app, and then you can right click, go to events and confirm and hardwire that into your records and therefore BCMS if required. So I hope that helps. Many thanks.
If you found this video useful, hit the subscribe button below.